Welcome back to Drive USA. Today we are diving into one of the most futuristic and revolutionary grand tours ever created, the Czinger Hyper GT. This is not just another hypercar, it's a bold step into the future of automotive engineering where extreme performance meets luxury, practicality, and cutting-edge technology in a way that truly stands out. Starting with the exterior, the Czinger Hyper GT looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. The design is sleek, aerodynamic, and incredibly modern, blending aggressive hypercar styling with the elegance of a grand tourer. At the front, the car features sharp LED headlights and a very clean, minimalistic look without a traditional grille. This gives it a futuristic identity while also improving airflow and efficiency. The body is sculpted with precision, with smooth curves and sharp edges that work together to reduce drag and enhance performance. One of the most striking features is the gullwing doors, which open upward and instantly grab attention. Not only do they look incredible, but they also make entering and exiting the car easier in tight spaces. From the side, the Hyper GT has a long, flowing profile with a large glass area that enhances visibility and gives the car a more open and luxurious feel. At the rear, you'll notice a full-width LED light bar, a central exhaust system, and an aggressive aerodynamic setup inspired by high-performance race cars. Every detail of the exterior is designed with both beauty and function in mind. Moving inside, the interior of the Czinger Hyper GT is where things get even more impressive. Unlike most hypercars that only offer 2 seats, this car is designed as a true 4-seater. That means you can comfortably travel with family or friends without compromising on performance. The cabin is spacious, offering generous legroom and headroom for all passengers, which is rare in this segment. The interior design focuses on a mix of luxury and advanced technology. You can expect premium materials like leather, carbon fiber, and metal accents throughout the cabin. The dashboard is likely to feature a modern digital display system with a driver-focused layout, ensuring that everything you need is within easy reach. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, making long-distance journeys enjoyable. This is what truly sets the Hyper GT apart. It's not just about speed, it's about creating an experience that you can enjoy every day. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Czinger Hyper GT becomes absolutely insane. Under the hood, the car is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with electric motors. Together, this setup produces around 1,250 horsepower, putting it in the same league as the fastest hypercars in the world. Acceleration is incredibly quick, with the car expected to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2 to 3 seconds. That's supercar-level performance in a vehicle that can carry 4 people comfortably. The top speed is estimated to exceed 230 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest 4-seater cars ever built. The electric motors provide instant torque, which means you get immediate acceleration as soon as you press the pedal. This makes the driving experience not only fast but also incredibly responsive and smooth. Another revolutionary aspect of the Hyper GT is how it is built. Czinger uses advanced manufacturing techniques like 3D printing and AI-driven design to create many of the car's components. This allows for lighter weight, stronger structures, and more efficient production. It's a completely new approach to building cars and could change the future of the automotive industry. This technology also allows for more customization, meaning each car can be tailored to the owner's preferences. In terms of driving experience, the Hyper GT is designed to offer the perfect balance between performance and comfort. While it has the power of a hypercar, it is also engineered to be smooth and stable on long drives. The suspension system is expected to be advanced enough to handle both high-speed performance and everyday road conditions. This means you can enjoy extreme speed when you want it, but also relax and cruise comfortably on highways. Now coming to the price, the Czinger Hyper GT is expected to be priced between $750,000 to $1 million. This places it firmly in the ultra-luxury hypercar category. It's not a car for everyone, but for those who can afford it, it offers something truly unique. You're not just buying a car, you're investing in a piece of future technology and design. What makes the Hyper GT truly special is its combination of extreme performance, luxury, and practicality. Most hypercars focus only on speed, but this car proves that you can have both speed and usability in one package. It's designed for people who want the thrill of a hypercar but also need the comfort and space of a grand tourer. In conclusion, the Czinger Hyper GT is a groundbreaking vehicle that pushes the boundaries of what a car can be. With its futuristic design, powerful hybrid engine, innovative manufacturing process, and four-seat practicality, it sets a new standard in the world of high-performance luxury cars. This is not just the future of grand touring, it's the future of the entire automotive industry.